Lutheran Social Services of Illinois takes a whole-person approach to care. In all of our programs, whether providing foster care services for children, home care for seniors, or residence for adults with developmental disabilities, we seek to address not just an individual issue, but consider all components that contribute to a fulfilling life. LSSI's mental health programs embody the emotional and social well-being of the people we serve and vividly illustrate whole-person care.
My name is Jackie Bobinski, and I'm a clinical counselor and case manager at Lutheran Social Services, and I work in the Step Up program at Taft High School. The Step Up program is a school-based counseling program through LSSI, and so I work right in the school to eliminate barriers. I began meeting with Kyle. Once I got to know Kyle, it became clear to me what his needs were, and I quickly found a direction for where we needed to go in order to make as much progress as possible in the quickest amount of time.
The school-based counseling program started out of a need that we recognized within the community, and we noticed that the children in our community were forced to kind of access crisis services, and so we kind of looked internal and said, how can we help serve these kids a little bit better before they hit the point of crisis? And when your kid is experiencing, depression or anxiety, you can't wait 6 to 8 months to get them services.
The programs for mental health at LSSI include both programs for children, adults, and seniors. We tend to want to provide services in the home if possible. We also want to provide services where clients naturally go in their day-to-day lives. So what we're really trying to do is develop programs that meet the person where they're at and provide the services in a way that the client feels like it serves them as an individual and that doesn't feel cookie cutter, that it really serves what they need.
With this fall, we are contracted to be in 20 Chicago public schools, both elementary and high school.
Everyone likes Kyle because he's a good kid. I'm really proud of him because he doesn't lie to me. We have a big trust, which I appreciate, especially at 15. We just started about the middle of the year because he was having a lot of problems in school. And since Jackie's gotten involved, she's really helped Kyle a lot. He's doing so much better.
The most fulfilling thing for me working in a school-based counseling program is being able to offer the services to the students that they need without the barriers there. That is tremendously rewarding for me because until you can get to the root of the problem and involve the whole family and get the family healthy, they can take it upon themselves and take initiative and reach out and get the help that they need.
I'm really grateful to your program, the Lutheran Social Services, because without Jackie, Kyle would still be lost, and so would I.
LSSI's focus on mental health right now is all-encompassing. Every time we do a new program, every time we look at trying to improve a program, we're thinking about the whole person and whole person care. When someone is presenting with a set of issues, that we don't say we're going to pick one or two of those issues. It's LSSI's responsibility to take on the difficult challenges of providing those services, all of them. So that takes not only the clinician, but the administration, all of us, to work together to serve that individual. Again, not for one particular problem, but for all of the things that person needs in their life.
My name is Donald Hardaway, and I am the supervisor of the community support team. The clients in the community support team are chronically mentally ill adults who have a history of repeat inpatient psychiatric hospitalizations, repeated use of crisis, emergency services. They have been homeless or at risk of homelessness.
My name is Glenn. I'm people person. If you're friendly to me, I'll be friendly to you. I'm with the team at LSSI. I enjoy working with Donald and the team. They help me with my groceries, my money, my clothing, and shelter. I saw changes in my health. I lost weight. I am eating a little bit better, working and walking a lot, and taking the bus, and take my medicine on time.
I think the community support team is important because it helps our clients maintain their independence in the community. We help them achieve their goals. Really, whatever the client wants to do, we help them work toward that.
Glenn has always expressed an interest to work. To help him with that goal, we in the community sport team program assisted Glenn with completing applications, talking to potential employers on his behalf. And with his most recent job at a local laundromat, he actually secured on his own.
I've worked at Friendly Wash since February 14th. Some of the things I like about my job are cleaning, taking out the garbage, cleaning the parking lot, making the place look clean. And they pay me well. I make $11 an hour. I never made so much money in my life this year.
Whole person care means not being stuck on one aspect of their life, but focusing on their mental health and their emotional health, their spiritual, their physical, because we help people in every aspect of their life.
What we're very focused on is making sure that we actually serve individuals and connect them to the health care that they should be receiving. And it's by working with those social issues like housing and connecting them to medical issues like primary care and specialty care where we really start to see real results.
I use a cell phone and I use the bus tracker. My biggest goal is to Navy Pier and back. Never been there yet. I'd like to go.
When I see our clients achieving their goals, it makes me feel really good inside because I know the hard work that they've put in.
I'm trying to strive for better. I'm blessed because of God.
Our Lutheran tradition of welcoming the stranger, creating community, and helping people construct new lives continues to steadfastly guide us. Thank you for your support that allows us to continue our mission and chart a course toward LSSI's next 150 years.